Hey y'all, it's Christmas. And what is Christmas without some Christmas candy? How about today we make plant-based, whole food, oil-free peppermint fudge. Yes, I said fudge. That is plant-based. It's divine. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so good. It is so good. Let's begin. I'm afraid to smile. I have chocolate in my teeth. Hey y'all, how about today? Plant-based foodies. How to make them. Let's begin. Now let's make some Christmas fudge because it's Christmas time. So you're going to start with pan. I'm going to try this in the microwave. You could probably make it in the microwave. I don't know. You can also do it in a double boiler if you're not gonna sit here the whole time and just really watch it. You're gonna start with 2 cups. This is the Enjoy Life chocolate chips. So essentially it's a whole bag. Not essentially, it is exactly a whole bag. And you're gonna add that to your pot. This is some pure maple syrup. It is 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. This is almond butter. It is a half a cup. If you have a nut allergy, you could totally use like a cashew butter or a tahini. You might want to experiment with the tahini a little bit because it does have a, to me anyways, you may not think so, kind of has a stronger flavor. A sunflower butter, you can use like a sunflower seed butter, that would both work. And then this is a third of a cup of the Thai Kitchen coconut milk. And I'm going to make chocolate peppermint fudge. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of peppermint extract. Now, if you did not want to make peppermint fudge, you could make vanilla, put vanilla in there, and it would be divine. So we're just going to mix this all up, stir it constantly until everything gets nice and incorporated and it looks delish already. Okay, it melts pretty fast. You could do like peanut butter instead of the almond butter, and you can have like a peanut butter chocolate fudge. I would use vanilla though, not the peppermint extract. That might be weird. It's kind of the thickness of maybe like frosting a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna turn this heat off. Make it all nice and melted. It smells so good. So it didn't take long. You're gonna take an 8x8 pan lined with your parchment paper. You're gonna scoop this goodness out. Spread it evenly in your pan. I guess it's more like brownie batter. That's what it's kind of the consistency of. Ooh, this pan's gonna need a scrubbing. Okay. And spread it all out. You could use a silicone like baking pan or a silicone mold if you had one in a shape that you want to use. And because I'm making it peppermint fudge, I'm going to sprinkle some crushed peppermints on top. Again, skip this part if you're not making peppermint fudge. You can make some nuts on top, some sprinkles, nothing, whatever. Okay. sprinkle all of that on there. Kind of use your spatula if you need to push it down in there if you need to. And then you're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. You could totally put it in your freezer for like 30 to 45 minutes, but I'm gonna pop mine in the fridge for an hour or two and see y'all soon. Okay, so after an hour, I only had mine in there for about an hour and a half. There it goes. Take it out, and look how beautiful that looks, y'all. Just chop it up or cut it into shapes or whatever you want to do with it. But there you have it, plant-based, whole food, oil-free, I almost said peanut butter, peppermint fudge. So be sure to like and subscribe and share and be blessed, y'all. Merry Christmas.